Aaron here. You're watching Turbo Details. If you don't subscribe, I'm deleting your Minecraft account. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, we post satisfying content of mobile car detailing, as well as tips, tricks, and advice, as well as products and tools necessary to get started with your own car detailing business. In today's video, we have a 2016 Mercedes E-Class sedan, and this car was pretty much clean to begin with. We just decided to give it a nice shampoo and get it back on the road for another year of driving. Now you see us using here a 14-gallon wet and dry rigid shop vac, and it has suited us very well. 6 peak horsepower, has a lot of suction, and great with car detailing. Now, if you're interested in any of the products or tools used in this video, they're all linked down below. Super quick and easy Amazon links. You can go check out anything that's in the description, and we've added in every single thing that we use throughout our videos.
Yeah. So other chemical guys stuff is what we should have bought in the first place. Tell chemical guys lightning fast.
Although we normally use P&S Carpet Bomber, we're finishing up our mini bottle of Chemical Guys foaming soap or something like that. It's not the lightning fast, but definitely do not recommend this product. It foams too much, and it doesn't clean as well as P&S Carpet Bomber, so...
Ready? Yeah.
Alrighty, we're using the Aqua Pro Vac here. This thing is pretty sick. It has really good suction, just like the 6 peak horsepower vacuum that I just talked about. What do you guys think about some ASMR detailing voiceovers? Enough that shenanigans. This Aqua Pro Vac was around $500 from aquaprovac.com, and it's way more industrial than anything else, Bissell, Hoover, all of that jazz. It's not heated, but we've seemed to use cold water and it's been working sort of fine. So yeah, that seems to be pretty good.
What? You want to make my
Enjoy this dirty water dump. Splish splash.
How's it going?
Now, just a little bit of insight for you guys on the money aspect of this job. It was $195. That includes $20 worth of products and materials, you know, all-purpose cleaner, degreaser, chemicalized soap, any of that jazz, water, all of that. And we spent around 4.5 hours on that, so if you divide that out, you're already looking at 175 because of the 195 minus 20 for materials, and take that divided by 2 because there's me and Donovan working. That's 87.50 for 4.5 hours. Divide that by 4.5 hours, you're looking at about 19 bucks per hour. So not the best, but it's pretty good. Now, most jobs we do average around $30 an hour, but most of those are maintenance and our exterior wash and waxes. So on a loaded interior, we're looking at a little bit less profit, but hopefully we can get them as a maintenance client. Just looking at the business side of things for you guys, if you're interested. I'll let you guys just enjoy the rest of the video. I can shut up now, but I'll catch you guys at the end.
Pull out the steam cleaner.
feet.
Dang, these door panels are pretty satisfying. Anyways, that is going to wrap up today's video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us with YouTube algorithm. That is going to wrap up today's video. Aaron, out. Click each of these videos that will take you to another one of our videos, and comment cool.